how to upload a product CSV to Inventora. On the left sidebar, click on Products. And on your right, you will see these 3 points and you're gonna click on Import CSV. Once you click there, you need to drop the file or click to select the file that you want to upload. Once you choose the file, click Upload, and the step 2 is to choose the product type. Here you have the option of Made by Me products or Sourced from a supplier. The step 3 is to select columns. So we automatically match the Inventora columns with the CSV columns that have the same name. If we don't automatically match the column for you, you can do that manually. And if you don't have any column in your CSV that can match the Inventora column, you can click on None. Once everything is ready, click Upload. Now you are going to be able to see the products added in the list of the products that you have in Inventora. The only last thing that you have to take into consideration here is that once you upload a CSV, it won't include the materials that you use for each one of your products. So the next step is to click on the product, click on Edit Details, and you will start to add all the details that you need in order to make this product. Edit the batch size, add the materials that you use. You will see that we automatically give you a cost breakdown per piece, add a category, your retail and wholesale price, and all of those details. Once it is ready, you click Save. This last step is going to help Inventora to do the calculations for you going forward. And this is it. This is how you can upload a product CSV to Inventora.